hours later, guys. We go. So I want to carrot to get look alive.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
So guys, welcome to our channel. So we're gonna cook curry shrimp in a coconut milk and pumpkin rice, but it's for Sunday dinner. But me I pre-prep the shrimp from today, which is Friday. Right? But guys, you're not gonna see me face in another clip here, but me just gonna show you how I really do it.
Oh, she really prepare it, guys.
So as you can see, me wash my shrimp, me strip off the shell part. And so I'm gonna season them up now. So this is how they're looking. I'm alone there, so I'm going to do all of the recording because baby's on the road. So yeah, I say look. Guys, I'm sorry you're not gonna see my face. I do apologize. If my boyfriend, if Billy come back in time, then you'll probably see my face. But if not, this is how you're gonna get the video. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna add on some black pepper. You want too much black pepper, because black pepper is not healthy for you. Fish season. Put some on the inside already. And let me tell you guys, jerk season, the boss. Anything jerk season go on. Whether you do curry goat, fried chicken, fish, curry goat, jerk chicken, jerk sauce, bad. So I'm just going to rub it, rub it on the fish and make it stay and marinate a little. I could add on garlic, cut up some garlic and some pepper. I like fry my fish with garlic and pepper. So yeah, fish, see it? See, it's already on the inside of them. So yeah, I add some little more season to this side because when I start fry the fish, you have to put good amount of season on it, because when I start fry it, all of the season I go drop off in the oil. So you have to put the right amount so some can leave back on the fish. So I'm gonna put on some on this side, we sit in the fridge and make it go and soak, and then I go pre-prep my season for the pumpkin, because I'm gonna do pumpkin rice, curry shrimp, and fried fish. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. So guys, I am back. So I'm gonna cut out the seasoning now for the pumpkin rice. So I have scallion, onion, and thyme. You can put in the thyme whole or the scallion whole, but me choose to cut it up. So I cut it up. And guys, listen, everybody cook different. No one ever teach me how to do this, as in do pumpkin rice. I remember seeing my friend do it once, and from there finish season up the shrimp. So guys, me kind of turn down because I don't want it burn. Well, the pot here is very thin, so I need a little more heat underneath it. So about 5 minutes or 10 minutes later here. So this is how the shrimp them look now. So I go pour in me I put in my season. And I forget to show you some of the real yard pepper. See that? Yeah. So I cut it and drop it in there. Guys, now chop in the scallion, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, and then your thyme and your punchy pepper, and then you just stir it in. Look at that. So that people. As I said from before, shrimp easy for cook, so you know this not take no time. This is a small amount of water. It's a small amount. Make the onion them go on, you know, kind of salty. Give the next 5 minutes to 5 to 15 minutes, and then I drop in my coconut milk and update on the rice. Still there steam. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna add in the coconut milk.
But I put too much.
Then the coconut milk. And put little salt.
I don't have to put no more.
No, I put salt in there so you can't. You know, so we don't measure nothing with us. Eyeball. And since it's a Korean milk, you know, so you don't want it too salt, and you don't want it too fresh. You want it right in between. Because you know how curry go? You know how curry stay already. If you don't, you have to burn it, and I don't normally burn curry. Just my preference. I don't normally burn curry. You know what thing I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add piece more pepper to it. But otherwise than that, it tastes pretty good. Honestly, it tastes like really good. Cause you taste all of the season combined together, the onion, the scallion, the thyme, everything you taste combined together. Hours later, guys, we go. Next 2 minutes, it's gonna be off, and then we are going to look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. I'm gonna just 2 minutes. First time